For me, this place is and the workers is like my family because we're working together and we try to do the best we can and we try to working hard. That's all we can do and everybody for me is part of like my family because I always here and I know them for a long time. So that's the point.
Yo creo que tú quieres que te meta yo el dedo en el culo, güey, bien, porque es que no veo que te despiertes, güey. Así vas a empezar a brincar. Mira, no te digo pendejo. Pay me.
What?
Ah, you're gonna pay me.
I'll pay you in cash in like a year once the movie gets made.
Okay.
Does that sound good? How much are you expecting?
I don't know, güey. I don't know how big it's gonna be, güey.
So, what do you think about all the changes here in the past year?
I like to see the changes because the place look good now. And then when people come in, they get impressed, because the place looks beautiful right now. And I like to see this place packed. So I think this is one of the points to get better, So.
You're watching movies, güey.
Mm-hmm. Why do you watch movies while you work?
That's my job, güey, watching movies.
What do you say?
That's my job.
Uh-huh.
I like to see when the people eat the food and they really like it, That's why I like to try to make the best I can, and I try to do the best for them because I like to see when they smile and when they said, "Oh, thank you, the food is great." That's what I like.
What's your favorite meal to cook here?
For me, I always like risotto.
Risotto.
Risotto, crab meat risotto. For me, is the best on the world. I don't know for the peoples, but for me, that's the best dish.
Why do you like that one the best?
I don't know, probably because it's like a rice or something like that. Because it's close to my food, Because I come from Mexico, and Mexico we used to eat a lot of rice, so probably that's why.
Mm-hmm.
I just hear what he said. Pizza for her. I don't know. I just made plain. Now she wants with the.
Did you make it with the sausage and pepperoni?
No, I made plain.
Did you cook it?
Yeah. It's gonna get bigger, güey.
Yeah, man.